SAP S4HANA FICO Online Training by Real-Time Expert. SAP S4HANA Finance, often abbreviated as FICO, Financial Accounting and Controlling, is a comprehensive financial management solution offered by SAP, a leading provider of enterprise software. This platform integrates financial accounting and controlling processes to streamline financial operations, enhance decision-making, and provide real-time insights into an organization's financial performance. SAP S4HANA FICO leverages the power of the SAP HANA in-memory database, enabling lightning-fast processing and analysis of financial data. This allows for real-time reporting, eliminating the need for batch processing and providing users with up-to-the-moment information for informed decision-making. SAP S4HANA FICO serves as a robust financial management solution, empowering businesses to optimize their financial processes, improve compliance, reduce costs, and drive profitability in today's fast-paced and dynamic business environment. Traditional FICO solutions operate on conventional databases. SAP S4HANA FICO leverages the SAP HANA in-memory database technology. This enables faster data processing and real-time analysis, providing users with instant insights into financial data and trends. SAP S4HANA FICO offers enhanced analytics capabilities compared to traditional FICO systems. It incorporates predictive analytics, cash flow forecasting, and advanced financial planning and analysis (FP&A) tools, empowering organizations to make data-driven decisions and anticipate future financial scenarios more effectively. SAP S4HANA FICO provides a more integrated and holistic approach to financial management. It seamlessly integrates financial accounting processes with controlling functionalities, eliminating data silos and enabling a unified view of financial operations across the organization. SAP S4HANA FICO offers improved scalability and flexibility. With its cloud-based deployment options and modular architecture, organizations can easily scale their financial management capabilities to meet evolving business needs and adapt to changing market conditions. Overall, SAP S4HANA FICO represents a significant advancement over traditional FICO systems, offering enhanced speed, analytics, integration, and scalability to help organizations optimize their financial processes and drive business growth. SAP S4HANA FICO comes with a range of key features designed to streamline financial management processes and provide insights for informed decision-making. Let's take a look at some key features. Real-time reporting. Utilizing the power of SAP HANA in-memory database technology, S4HANA FICO enables real-time reporting and analytics, offering instant access to financial data for timely decision-making. Integrated financial processes. It integrates financial accounting with controlling functionalities, providing a unified platform for managing general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, asset accounting, cost center accounting, profit center accounting, internal orders, and product costing. Advanced analytics. S4HANA FICO offers advanced analytics capabilities, including predictive accounting, cash flow forecasting, and financial planning and analysis, FP&A, enabling organizations to gain deeper insights into their financial performance and anticipate future trends. Simplified user experience. The user interface of S4HANA FICO is designed for simplicity and ease of use, with intuitive navigation and personalized dashboards, allowing users to access relevant financial information quickly. Cloud deployment options. Organizations can choose to deploy S4HANA FICO on-premises or in the cloud, providing flexibility in deployment and scalability to meet changing business needs. Compliance and risk management. S4HANA FICO includes features for ensuring regulatory compliance and managing financial risks, such as audit trails, controls, and automated compliance reporting. Centralized data management. It centralizes financial data management, eliminating data redundancy and inconsistency, and providing a single source of truth for financial information across the organization. Enhanced cost control. With features like cost center accounting and internal orders, S4HANA FICO enables organizations to track and control costs more effectively, optimizing resource allocation and improving profitability. SAP S4HANA FICO offers several benefits to organizations, including real-time insights. S4HANA FICO provides real-time access to financial data, enabling organizations to make informed decisions promptly based on up-to-date information. Improved efficiency. By integrating financial processes and automating repetitive tasks, S4HANA FICO streamlines operations, reduces manual effort, and increases productivity. Enhanced decision-making. With advanced analytics capabilities, S4HANA FICO enables organizations to analyze financial data more comprehensively, facilitating better strategic decision-making and planning. Cost reduction. S4HANA FICO helps optimize costs through better visibility into financial performance, improved resource allocation, and streamlined processes, ultimately leading to cost savings. Compliance and risk management. S4HANA FICO includes features for ensuring regulatory compliance and managing financial risks, helping organizations mitigate compliance-related issues and avoid potential penalties. Scalability. With its flexible architecture and cloud deployment options, S4HANA FICO can scale with the growth of the organization, accommodating changing business needs and requirements. Improved customer service. By providing real-time insights into customer financial data, S4HANA FICO enables organizations to offer more personalized and responsive customer service, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Innovation and future readiness. S4HANA FICO leverages cutting-edge technologies like SAP S and advanced analytics, positioning organizations for future innovation and digital transformation in the financial management space. Someone skilled in SAP S4HANA FICO has a wide range of career options available in various industries and sectors. Some potential career paths include SAP Consultant. As an SAP consultant specializing in S4HANA FICO, individuals can work for consulting firms or as independent contractors, helping organizations implement, customize, and optimize their SAP S4HANA FICO solutions. Financial Analyst. Skilled professionals can pursue roles as financial analysts, leveraging their expertise in S4HANA FICO to analyze financial data, provide insights, and support decision-making processes within organizations. Financial Controller. With their knowledge of S4HANA FICO, individuals can pursue careers as financial controllers, overseeing financial reporting, budgeting, forecasting, and compliance activities to ensure the financial health and stability of organizations. Business Analyst. Business analysts with expertise in S4HANA FICO can play a crucial role in bridging the gap between business requirements and IT solutions, translating business needs into technical requirements for SAP implementations and upgrades. SAP Project Manager. Experienced professionals can advance into roles as SAP project managers, leading SAP implementation projects, and managing project teams, budgets, timelines, and deliverables related to S4HANA FICO implementations or upgrades. Financial Systems Administrator. Skilled individuals can work as financial systems administrators, responsible for maintaining, configuring, and supporting SAP S4HANA FICO systems within organizations, ensuring smooth operation and user satisfaction. SAP Project Manager. Experienced professionals can advance into roles as SAP project managers, leading SAP implementation projects, and managing project teams, budgets, timelines, and deliverables related to S/4HANA FICO implementations or upgrades. Financial Systems Administrator. Skilled individuals can work as financial systems administrators, responsible for maintaining, configuring, and supporting SAP S/4HANA FICO systems within organizations, ensuring smooth operation and user satisfaction. Finance Manager. Professionals with expertise in S/4HANA FICO can pursue careers as finance managers, overseeing financial operations, strategic planning, and analysis, and leveraging SAP S/4HANA FICO capabilities to drive business performance and growth. Auditor. Individuals skilled in S/4HANA FICO can work as auditors, conducting internal audits, compliance reviews, and risk assessments to ensure adherence to financial regulations, policies, and best practices within organizations. These are just a few examples of the career options available to individuals skilled in SAP S/4HANA FICO. With the increasing demand for professionals with expertise in SAP technologies and financial management, there are abundant opportunities for career growth and advancement in this field. Salary prospects for professionals skilled in SAP S/4HANA FICO can vary depending on factors such as experience, location, industry, and specific job role. However, individuals with expertise in S/4HANA FICO typically command competitive salaries due to the high demand for their skills. Here's an overview of the salary prospects for different roles. SAP Consultant. Entry-level SAP consultants specializing in S/4HANA FICO can expect to earn salaries ranging from $60,000 to $90,000 per year. With experience and certifications, salaries can increase significantly, reaching upwards of $120,000 to $150,000 or more for senior-level consultants or independent contractors. Financial Analyst. Financial analysts with proficiency in S/4HANA FICO can earn salaries starting from $50,000 to $80,000 per year at the entry level. Experienced financial analysts with S/4HANA FICO expertise may earn salaries between $80,000 to $120,000 or more, depending on factors such as industry and location. Financial Controller. Salaries for financial controllers specializing in S/4HANA FICO typically range from $80,000 to $120,000 per year for mid-level positions. Senior financial controllers or finance managers with extensive experience and S/4HANA FICO expertise can earn salaries exceeding $150,000 per year. SAP Project Manager. SAP project managers leading S/4HANA FICO implementation projects can earn salaries ranging from $90,000 to $150,000 or more, depending on their level of experience and the scope of the project. Senior SAP project managers may earn salaries exceeding $200,000 per year. Business Analyst. Business analysts specializing in S/4HANA FICO can earn salaries starting from $60,000 to $90,000 per year at the entry level. With experience and specialization, salaries can increase from $90,000 to $120,000 or more for senior business analysts. Financial Controller. Salaries for financial controllers specializing in S/4HANA FICO typically range from $80,000 to $120,000 per year for mid-level positions. Senior financial controllers or finance managers with extensive experience and S/4HANA FICO expertise can earn salaries exceeding $150,000 per year. SAP Project Manager. SAP project managers leading S/4HANA FICO implementation projects can earn salaries ranging from $90,000 to $150,000 or more, depending on their level of experience and the scope of the project. Senior SAP project managers may earn salaries exceeding $200,000 per year. Business analyst. Business analysts specializing in S/4HANA FICO can earn salaries starting from $60,000 to $90,000 per year at the entry level. With experience and specialization, salaries can increase from $90,000 to $120,000 or more for senior business analysts. At Proexcellency, we understand the importance of staying ahead in today's competitive business landscape. That's why we offer top-notch online training programs tailored to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in SAP S/4HANA FICO. Our courses are designed by industry experts with extensive experience in SAP implementation and consulting. Through interactive lectures, hands-on exercises, and real-world case studies, we ensure that you gain practical insights and mastery over key concepts in S/4HANA FICO. Whether you're a seasoned finance professional looking to upgrade your skills or a newcomer eager to enter the world of SAP, our flexible training programs cater to learners of all levels. With convenient online access, you can learn at your own pace from anywhere in the world. What sets Proexcellency apart is our commitment to your success. Our dedicated instructors provide personalized guidance and support throughout your learning journey, ensuring that you not only acquire theoretical knowledge but also develop the practical skills needed to thrive in real-world scenarios. Contact us for more details.